Breaking news just dropped, and it's huge. Figure, the Silicon Valley robotics company, has announced a monumental breakthrough in AI robotics, so significant that they're ending their partnership with OpenAI. Yes, you heard that right. OpenAI is out. This is a massive shakeup in the world of AI and robotics, and we've got all the details for you right here. Stick around because this story is just getting started. Welcome back, guys. Alfie here with another surprising update from the world of AI and robotics. This story is far from over, and AI Nexus will cover every step of the way. Let's start with the source. Brett Adcock, the founder of Figure, dropped this bombshell on X earlier today. Here's what he said. Figure made a major breakthrough on fully end-to-end robot AI built entirely in-house. Because of this, we've decided to end our collaborative agreement with OpenAI. More details and a demo coming in the next 30 days. Now let's break this down. Figure and OpenAI have been working together since February 2024. Their partnership was all about combining OpenAI's cutting-edge AI research with Figure's hardware to create next-generation humanoid robots. But now, Figure is saying, thanks, but no thanks. We've got this. So, what's really going on here? To understand the significance of this announcement, let's rewind a bit. Figure burst onto the scene in 2022 with a bold vision: to create humanoid robots that could work alongside humans in real-world environments. Fast forward to 2024, and they've already made waves with their Figure 01 robot, which integrated OpenAI's ChatGPT for natural language processing. Remember that viral video of Figure 01 having a conversation? That was just the beginning. By January 2025, Figure had rolled out its second-generation humanoid, the Figure 02, which started working full-time at BMW's factory in Spartanburg, South Carolina. These robots weren't just gimmicks. They were performing real tasks in a real-world industrial setting. And now, with this latest breakthrough, Figure is taking things to a whole new level. So, what exactly is this major breakthrough Brett Adcock is talking about? According to him, Figure has developed a fully end-to-end robot AI system entirely in-house. This means they've created an AI that can handle everything from perception and decision-making to physical actions, all without relying on OpenAI's technology. Adcock even promised a demo of this technology within the next 30 days, so we won't have to wait long to see it in action. But why is this such a big deal? Well, for starters, it means Figure is no longer dependent on OpenAI. They've essentially cut ties with one of the biggest names in AI to go solo. Adcock explained to TechCrunch that embodied AI in real-world scenarios can't be achieved by outsourcing to OpenAI. He said, "We found that to solve embodied AI at scale in the real world, you have to vertically integrate robot AI. We can't outsource AI for the same reason we can't outsource our hardware." This is a bold move, but it's not entirely surprising. Figure has been on a roll lately. Just last week, Adcock announced that the company had signed its second commercial customer, one of the largest companies in the United States. While he didn't name the customer, he did reveal that Figure is running an end-to-end neural network for their use case, which will be used for AI training. This kind of vertical integration is clearly a core part of Figure's strategy. With this new development, Adcock sees a path for shipping up to 100,000 humanoid robots over the next 4 years. To meet that goal, Figure would need to produce around 1,000 units in 2025. That might sound ambitious, but it's not impossible. Agabot, a younger Chinese startup, claims to have manufactured 1,000 robots in 2024. If Figure can scale at a similar pace, they could become a major player in the robotics industry. Of course, Figure isn't the only company in this space. Tesla is also working on its Optimus humanoid robot, with plans to produce up to 10,000 units this year. While Tesla's production target is much larger than Figure's, Elon Musk has admitted it's highly aspirational. Still, the competition between these two companies is heating up, and it's going to be fascinating to see who comes out on top. Meanwhile, OpenAI isn't sitting idle. After disbanding its robotics team in 2020, the company has recently relaunched its efforts in this area. In May 2024, OpenAI resurrected its robotics team with a focus on training AI models for embodied intelligence. And in November 2024, Caitlin Kalinowski, the former head of Meta's AR Glasses initiative, joined OpenAI to lead its robotics and consumer hardware efforts. There are also reports that OpenAI is considering developing its own humanoid robot. Job listings hint at the creation of custom sensors and electronics, and the company recently filed a trademark application in the US that included references to user-programmable humanoid robots. These robots are described as having communication and learning functions for assisting and entertaining people. OpenAI also backs Norway-based 1X Technologies, which is preparing to launch its next-generation AI robot, Neo, for home use. So while Figure is going solo, OpenAI is clearly doubling down on its own robotics ambitions. So what does this all mean for the future of AI and robotics? For one, it's a sign that the industry is maturing. Companies are no longer content to rely on partnerships. They're taking control of their own destinies by developing end-to-end solutions. This could lead to faster innovation and more competition, which is ultimately good for consumers. But it also raises questions about the role of collaboration in the tech industry. Partnerships like the one between Figure and OpenAI were supposed to accelerate progress by combining expertise. Now it seems that some companies are deciding they're better off going it alone. Is this a trend we'll see more of in the future? Only time will tell. But let's not forget the challenges. Developing a fully end-to-end AI system is no small feat. It requires massive amounts of data, cutting-edge algorithms, and a deep understanding of both hardware and software. Figure's decision to go solo means they're taking on all of this themselves, which could be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it gives them complete control over their technology. On the other hand, it puts all the pressure on their team to deliver. And then there's the question of competition. As we mentioned earlier, Tesla is also making big moves in the humanoid robotics space. Elon Musk has been vocal about his ambitions for the Optimus robot, and Tesla's resources and expertise in AI and automation make them a formidable competitor. But Figure has its own strengths, including its focus on vertical integration and its partnerships with major companies like BMW. Another key player to watch is Agibot, the Chinese startup that claims to have manufactured 1,000 robots in 2024. While they're not as well known as Figure or Tesla, their rapid scaling shows that the robotics industry is moving fast, and new players could emerge at any time. One thing's for sure, AI Nexus will be covering every step of the way. From the upcoming Figure demo to OpenAI's next moves, we'll keep you updated on all the latest developments in this fast-paced industry. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. What do you think about Figure's decision to part ways with OpenAI? Is this a smart move, or are they biting off more than they can chew? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video if you found it informative. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.